Let's take selective precipitation. Selective precipitation. Selective precipitation. In selective precipitation, for example, in one container, I will take 0.1 molar each Cl minus, Br minus and I minus ions, and gradually I will add silver nitrate solution. Silver nitrate solution. If Ksp of silver chloride is 10 power minus 10, silver bromide is 10 power minus 13, silver iodide is 10 power minus 17. Question number 1. Which ion gets precipitation first? So, in a container I have chloride, bromide and iodide ions. Gradually I am adding silver nitrate. And gradually we are adding silver nitrate. This silver ion will combine with one of the halogen, chloride, bromide and iodide, and start getting precipitation. So, when you added silver nitrate, Ag plus ions can combine with Cl minus to form silver chloride precipitation, white one, or it can combine with bromide to form silver bromide, which is a pale yellow. Silver can combine with iodide, gives a silver iodide, which is yellow. So this precipitation formation will happen. But the question is, among these three ions, which ion starts precipitating first? That's what called selective precipitation. All ions cannot get precipitated at the same time. One by one will start precipitation. Then which ion gets precipitation first? So to start the precipitation, already discussed in the last concept, ionic product, applications of the solubility product. To start precipitation, Ksp of the salt must be equal to Qc, isn't it? I have given Ksp here. Each salt, silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide, Ksp values are given. Whether they get precipitation or not, you should know Qc. Okay. So first we will consider Qc values, we will calculate. Point is here. To start precipitation, Q must be equal to Ksp. So already we know the Ksp for Ag plus. So to start the precipitation, already Cl minus how much present we know here. How much Ag plus ions to be added we should know. So this both should become equal. First I will write for AgCl. For AgCl purpose, Ksp must be equal to Q to start the precipitation. Ksp value already we have for AgCl, that is 10 power minus 10 equals to Q. What is the Q expression will become? Q expression becomes for silver chloride, concentration of Ag plus into Cl minus. So Q expression, concentration of Ag plus into Cl minus. Cl minus concentration already in the solution how much present? 0.1. So 10 power minus 10 into concentration of Ag plus concentration of Cl minus. Cl minus concentration in the solution, 0.1 is available, I have taken. So now Ag plus concentration how much becomes? 10 power minus 9 molar. It means to make Ksp and Q of silver chloride salt equal, then only its precipitation starts. To make them equal, How much Ag plus ions must be added? 10 power minus 9 must be added. If 10 power minus 9 you add, silver chloride starts precipitation. Okay. Same way, look at about silver bromide. For silver bromide also, Ksp must be equal to Q. For silver bromide, Ksp value given 10 power minus 13 equals to Q. Q expression will come for silver bromide Ag plus into Br minus. Br minus concentration already we know that is 0.1. So the required Ag plus how much become? The required Ag plus is 10 power minus 13 by concentration of Br minus. That is 10 power minus 13 by 0.1, 10 power minus 12 molar. To start the silver bromide precipitation, required Ag plus ion 10 power minus 12. Look at, to silver chloride purpose 10 power minus 9 needed. For silver bromide precipitation to start, it need 10 power minus 12. So among these two, which need more number of Ag plus ions? Silver chloride required more Ag plus ion. Silver bromide required less Ag plus ion. Same way, think for silver iodide. For silver iodide, Ksp must be equal to Q. So Ksp given 10 power minus 17 and Q becomes concentration of Ag plus into I minus. So concentration of Ag plus is equal to 10 power minus 17 by concentration of I minus. That is equal to 10 power minus 17 by 0.1. So required Ag plus is 10 power minus 16. So among these three Cl minus ions to precipitate into silver chloride, silver bromide and silver iodide, they need certain amount of the silver plus ions, Ag plus ions required. For silver chloride precipitation purpose, silver required 10 power minus 9. For bromide precipitation purpose, silver required 10 power minus 12 and iodide purpose required 10 power minus 16. When you are gradually adding Ag plus ion, slowly when you are adding, iodide required very less number of Ag plus ions, very less, 10 power minus 16 amount Ag plus ions required. So however, the moment you added very little amount, which is equal to 10 power minus 6, that will combine with I minus will start precipitating. Because when you add 10 power minus 6 Ag plus ion, this one is not sufficient for the bromide and chloride to get precipitation. Only it is sufficient to get iodide precipitation. When the concentration becomes 10 power minus 12, Br starts precipitating. When concentration becomes equal to 10 power minus 9, Cl minus start precipitating. So, since iodide required very less amount of Ag plus ions, so iodide starts precipitation first. So here selectively precipitation happened by the iodine, followed by bromine. After that, chlorine. So what we can write here answer? I minus start precipitating first. I minus starts precipitating first. This is question number 1. From this again they can ask next question. See, it can become each one becomes as a one question. It's not like only one question. This the whatever A B I am writing, each one is one question in competitive. B question you can see, when Ag plus concentration is equal to 10 power minus 16, what is concentration of Cl minus and Br minus ions in solution? What is concentration of Cl minus Br minus ions in solution? How much Ag plus ions we are adding? 10 power minus 16. So when 10 power minus 16 is added, this 10 power minus 16 is just sufficient to precipitate iodide ions. So there is no more Ag plus ions to react with bromine or the chlorine. it means chlorine and bromine will be remain unchanged. So what we can write? 10 power minus 16 Ag plus ion, molar Ag plus ion is just sufficient. Is just sufficient to start precipitation of I minus. So in that what happened? Cl minus, Br minus remain same. Their concentration will not change. They will be remain same. For example, next one more question. See, when concentration of Ag plus ion equal to 10 power minus 12 molar, what is concentration of Cl minus and I minus in solution? Cl minus and I minus solution. So how much Ag plus we are adding? 10 power minus 12. 10 power minus 12 means here Ag plus bromine starting precipitation. So now first 10 power minus 12 is just sufficient to precipitate Br minus. It's only just sufficient for Br minus, but not for chlorine. Not for chlorine. So since it will not affect the chlorine, because chlorine how much needed? 10 power minus 9 required. So it will not affect the chlorine. So chlorine concentration what becomes? Cl minus concentration will be equal to 0.1, that is remain same. Remains. But I minus will be affected. Why I minus will be affected? For I minus to start the precipitation required Ag plus ions how much? 10 power minus 16 only. AgI gives Ag plus and I minus. Ksp of AgI equals to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of I minus. Ksp given 10 power minus 17 into Ag plus. Ag plus how much we added in the question? 10 power minus 12 added. Since 10 power minus 12 added, concentration of Ag plus 10 power minus 12, I minus we are not sure how much present, because it is started already getting precipitation. At 10 power minus 6 only it start precipitating, but 10 power minus 12 means it already about to complete the precipitation. Then how much Cl minus will be, I minus will be remain from the initial point 1. From there most of the amount getting precipitation, how much will be remain here we have to find. So concentration of I minus is equal to 10 power minus 17 by 10 power minus 12, that is equals to 10 power minus 5 molar. Initial iodine present how much? 10 power minus 1, 0.1, 10 power minus 1. But when you added Ag plus 10 power minus 12, the concentration of I minus became 10 power minus 5. Means 10,000 times decreased. 10 power minus 1 to 10 power minus 5 became. The rest where went to 10 power minus 4 amount, 10 power 4 amount, what happened? 10 power 4 amount is precipitated. And compared initial 0.1 mole to almost everything precipitated, only 10 power minus 5 still remain. Chlorine will be unaffected. Because chlorine to start precipitation how much needed? 10 power minus 9 needed. Okay, same way, next question see. D. When concentration of Ag plus equal to 10 power minus 9 molar, what is concentration of Br minus and I minus ion? What is the concentration of Br minus and I minus ions? Look at here. 10 power minus 9 means which is sufficient to start the precipitation of chloride. But this amount, 10 power minus 9 amount, is more than enough for the iodine and bromine to start the precipitation. For bromine required only 10 power minus 12, iodine need 10 power minus 16, but we are adding 10 power minus 9, which is more than required. Means their concentrations are highly affected. Ag plus ions, Cl minus what happened? Just starts the precipitation, which is required 10 power minus 7. So let's calculate what happened to the bromide and iodide concentration. So first I will take silver bromide, gives silver plus and Br minus. I need Br minus concentration. So Ksp of AgBr is equals to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Br minus. Ksp given in the question 10 power minus 13 is equal to concentration of Ag plus given 10 power minus 9, Br minus concentration needed. So concentration of Br minus is equal to 10 power minus 13 by 10 power minus 9, that is 10 power minus 4 moles is remain. Initially we have taken Br minus 10 power minus 1, 0.1 molar. But here how much remain? 10 power minus 4 remain after adding 10 power minus 9 molar silver nitrate. Same way for iodine we see. Iodine AgI. Ksp of AgI is equals to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of I minus. Ksp given 10 power minus 17, Ag plus we are adding 10 power minus 9, and I need iodide concentration. So iodide concentration become 10 power minus 17 by 10 power minus 9, that is 10 power minus 8 molar. Okay, when 10 power minus 16 is added, first question, iodine just starts precipitation. When 10 power minus 12 is added, iodine started precipitation, and that is decreased concentration to 10 power minus 5. When 10 power minus 9 molar added, more amount we added. How much remains still? 10 power minus 8 remain. Very less amount it is remain. Okay, hope you are understanding how to calculate concentration. Now, last question. What is concentration of Cl minus, Br minus and I minus if concentration of Ag plus is, or if 10 power minus 3 molar Ag plus is added. How much Ag plus I am adding? 10 power minus 3 added. 10 power minus 3 means more amount we added. So in such a case, what is the concentration of Cl minus, Br minus and I minus? 3 also needed. So 10 power minus 3 is more sufficient to precipitate everyone. Iodine it will precipitate, bromide also it will precipitate, chloride also it will precipitate. But 100% precipitation will not happen. So to precipitate it, they starts, most of the amount will get precipitation. Still some amount remain. What is that amount of these ions remain? We have to find. So first we will see for chlorine. For chlorine purpose, Ksp of AgCl is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus. The AgCl Ksp value we have given 10 power minus 10 into Ag plus how much added? 10 power minus 3 by concentration of Cl minus. So concentration of Cl minus becomes 10 power minus 7 molar, which is 0.1 molar was there initially, now it became 10 power minus 7 molar after addition of 10 power minus 3 molar Ag plus ion, nothing but silver nitrate solution. Same way for bromine ion we'll see. Ksp of AgBr. Ksp of AgBr is equal to concentration of Ag plus into Br minus. So concentration of Br minus is silver. Ksp of AgBr how much given? 10 power minus 13 by silver concentration how much we added? 10 power minus 3. So its answer 10 power minus 10 became. 10 power minus 10 molar remain. Similarly iodine, Ksp of AgI is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of I minus. I minus concentration is equal to Ksp of AgI 10 power minus 17 by concentration of AgCl 10 power minus 3, that is equals to 10 power minus 14 molar. So chlorine, bromine, iodines are initially 0.1 molar. Initially they are 0.1 molar. When 10 power minus 3 molar silver nitrate is added, their concentrations are decreased. 10 power minus 7, 10 power minus 10, 10 power minus 14 level decreased. The rest of amount what happened? Got precipitated into silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide. So in order, based on selective precipitation questions will be asked. Each one individually is one question. They can ask from at any point. How to know that? Only you have to equate Ksp and Qc. From there you have to find what is the required concentration of ion required.